Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Culture Carton. This is a monthly men's subscription box. They send books and lifestyle items. So the standard box with the books and lifestyle items is $45. You can opt for just the lifestyle for $35 or just the book for $16. I do have a code TREE, all caps, that'll give you 20% off your first standard only box. This is a great one. Great for guys that like to read. Their lifestyle, their themed boxes, they come together beautifully. The items are always super high quality. You'll get leather goods, wonderful like skincare and body products, and it's an awesome, awesome subscription. All right, so it says, welcome to the Culture Carton May box, the Sun and Shade box, and then they do list everything and the retail prices. Our first item here is Quick Dude Shower. These are 10 individually wrapped body wipes. They're fragrance-free, vitamin E, and aloe. And they contain vitamin E and aloe, I should say. So these are like, grab one, scrub down your face, body, pits, and dude regions. We suggest in that order. It's a shower in your pocket, and it's happy to see. So these are great for like camping or like just out in the summertime and you need to like freshen up, whatever. That's really cool. I like that. All right, then we have... Ooh, Camouflage Hot Sauce. You know we love hot sauce. If you have watched this, you know we love hot sauce. So this has, what does it have? What pepper is it? It says try it on this, and it's like just tons of stuff. Sweet, tangy, and zesty camouflage is accompanied by a hidden heat. The combination of fresh herbs and spice make this perfect sauce for grilling out. Try this fresh and flavorful blend on burgers, wings, steak, or anything else, and watch it blend right in. Cayenne peppers, vinegar, garlic, cilantro, butter, salt, xanthan gum. So this is going to be a milder heat. Like the kids could probably eat this, just based on it being cayenne. So this says Hank Sauce. I've never even heard of this brand. But we love hot sauce, so we will try the crap out of it. All right. This feels like sunglasses. Ooh, how cool are these? I'm not giving these to anybody. These are from Prime. These are cool. I really like these. And they come in like a little camo pouch. How neat is that? All right. And then we'll look at the cart because that does give the retail prices. So then we have, what's this? Ooh, is this a lapel pin? This is from Wolf Clothing Company. And this is like a little lapel pin in a feather, a gold feather. How beautiful is that? I love it. My cat making a cameo. She needs to be in the video. Hey, that hurts me. All right. And then we have, I've never heard of this. This is a National Book Critics Circle Award winner. National bestsellers from Jennifer Egan. It's called A Visit from the Goon Squad, a novel. It's a winner of the Pulitzer Prize. Wow. How have I never heard of this? It's got like all these awards. I've never heard of it. So that is our book for the month. I'm actually super pumped. Let's look at our cart. This is a great box, right? It's good for, like, besides the lapel pin, what in here is, like, not usable by a woman, you know? All right, so the book is $16. The sunglasses they're the Venice style from Prime. They're $30. The Hank Sauce Camouflage Hot Sauce is $14. The Wolf Midas Feather lapel pin is $13. And then the Dude Wipes are $10. So this box has a total retail value of $83. It's a great value. Great for Father's Day. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Culture Carton so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.